On June 2nd, Bengaluru witnessed record-breaking rainfall, breaking the 133-year-old record with highest rainfall in a day in the month of June. Bengaluru recorded 111.1 mm of rainfall. Metro services were disrupted, trees were uprooted, traffic increased along with water clogging on several parts of the city. Last time such heavy rainfall was recorded on June 16, 1891, with Bengaluru receiving 101.6 mm of rainfall. Speaking on the monsoons in the city, Dr. Tuvirasan, a scientist from the meteorological department, shares his insight. He has predicted heavy rainfall for the next 4 to 5 days in Bengaluru. A yellow alert has been issued by the weather department, indicating cloudy sky with sporadic rain or thunder showers from June 3rd to June 5th.
Actually, yesterday is the highest rainfall, means more than 11 centimeter. In the last 100 years, more than 100 years, Bangalore received the highest rainfall of 11 centimeter. And wind speed was yesterday something more than 40 to 50 kmph. It was reported. And many places that trees branches was broken. But exact damages will come from the state government. Monsoon for next 4-5 days, Bangalore city will get rainfall. And as far as state is concerned, almost most of the districts monsoon is covered. By tomorrow, one or two districts left out that will be covered by tomorrow. And the monsoon period, as usual, continue for next 4 months.
Like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.